Hi, this is Mrs. Geifert. I am going to show you a quick video tutorial on how to get onto Google Classroom at home. So what you want to do is use Google Chrome. If you have not downloaded that as your browser, just go on Google and type in download Google Chrome and it'll download into your computer. Now I'm on just a basic Google website here where you would normally search. At home, this is what you're going to type in to the URL address, and that's where the website address goes, right up here at the top. I'm going to type in classroom.google.com. Okay, you hit enter. And then it will open up to this screen here. It's going to ask you to sign in. So you just click on the sign in button. Now, at home, it's going to ask you for your email or phone. Put in your school account. That's going to be your student ID at students.cnusd.k12.ca.us. Now, since I'm a teacher, mine's a little different. I just don't have the students in front of my name. Okay, you're going to hit next. Now, if you were at home, it's going to ask you for your password. I'm here using a school computer, so it already knows that I'm logged in as myself. And because I'm a teacher, it's asking me for that one extra step, so don't worry about that. So, if everything goes well, this is you. It might ask you to verify, and you say, yes, that's me. If it doesn't ask you that, that's fine. That means you probably already did it, or you logged on to a school device already. Now, once you're in, you're going to see all your classes, which most likely will probably be just my class. So what I want to walk you through is how to edit your notebook, which I know is a big concern for a lot of you. So once you're on here, you know you'll find your notebook here under Digital Notebook. But let's say you've already clicked on it and it's already in your Google Drive. You don't want to keep clicking on this because it'll save multiple notebooks in your Google Drive. You just want to click on it one time. But a common question that comes up is, how do you get to your Google Drive? Well, if you look over here in the corner where your account information is, if you kind of see me swinging around here, that little box with all the dots in it, if you hover over it, it'll say Google Apps. If you click on it, there's all your apps. You want to go down to Drive. Now, since you're already saved into your account, this is your Drive. And this is why I also recommend students to download the Google Drive app on their phone. And when it asks you to sign in with your school account. So that way they all link together. All right, so there's my notebooks. I'm gonna click on here. That's my digital notebook. Yours will look very similar to that. You just won't have, hopefully, as many as I do. And then you should be able to edit. You can just click right here on this link and start editing. Remember over here to play the video, you have to be in present mode. So you come up here and you hit present, and you let the whole screen, then you can actually play the video. Then you'll get the little play button right there, okay? To come out of present mode, you're gonna hit the escape key on your keyboard, and it takes you back to editing abilities. All right, now in order to write your notes, you do need to watch the video first and then come in here and write in your couple little bulleted notes for this particular video. Now you come down here to the screen that you guys have to upload your picture and video to. So how do we do that? Let's say I want to insert an image. I'm going to show you a couple ways you can insert images. First thing you want to do is come up here to where it says insert. You're going to click on insert, and the first one that is on there is image. When you hover over image, you have these options to choose from. You can upload from a computer, search the web, go to your drive, go to your photos, do an URL, or pull right from your camera. I'm going to go ahead and go to my drive. And this is why I say download that Google Drive onto your phones, because then here comes all your pictures. So here's a picture I want to use. I'm just going to drag it over. Now it's going to be a little big, and that's okay. Sometimes they might be a little small. You just grab these little corners and you size them down, so that way it fits best on the screen. And then down here on your title, you need to tell me either where you got the photo from or the web address you grabbed it from. But since this is a picture I shot in class, I can just put my name, Miss Geifert's picture. and just type it right there in the box. You want to give credit to wherever you pull your sources from. All right, now what if I wanted, I'm gonna delete that. In case you don't want it, you just click on it and delete it. What if you didn't want to go from the Google Drive? So let me show you one other way. Let me go here. I'm gonna say search the web. Now if you had the picture on your computer downloaded on the, say the desktop or in a picture folder, you can just upload right there to your computer. But let's say search the web. Searching the web can be a little bit more difficult because to find an image with math, it's a little harder. But I'm gonna type in unit rate just to kind of give you an idea of what it would look like. Now you see you get a whole bunch of things to choose from. A lot of these are videos, and you can tell because they have the play button on them. But you want to scroll down and just kind of go, well, I don't know if this is really going to help me. A lot of this looks a little weird. Then that's probably not your best option. So at that point, if you can't find anything by searching the web, take a picture of your classwork notes that we've been doing in class, the actual classwork assignment, the worksheets. All right, now let's talk about video. Same thing, you're gonna come over here to insert, and you're gonna scroll down to video, click on video. Now when you first get on video, it'll ask you if you wanna search through YouTube. And you can come in here, I'm just gonna continue with my unit rate search. Hit enter, and you're gonna get tons of stuff on unit rate. Now, does that mean all of these videos apply? Not necessarily. You might wanna pre-screen them. But let's say I like this first one, it's a Khan Academy video, and I hit select, and I just drag it over, resize it like I did my image. Now, before you get too excited here, you might wanna play it to see if it is what you want. Okay, and it'll start talking to you and playing through the video. Yep, I like that, that's good. If you don't like it, you just click out of the box, it'll highlight it back up again, hit delete on your keyboard, and it's gone. All right, so well now I gotta insert another video. Well, I'm not gonna do that. I can go by a web address. Maybe I found one online and I wanna use that web address. And here's your Google Drive. Let's say you took a video of yourself. So, this is a video I took of a student in my class. I'm not gonna play it because I don't have their permission to play it just yet, but there you go. If this was you in the video, this is what I'm looking for. I wanna see a video of you teaching one of the problems. Now you can teach a problem at home or have a picture taken at home as well. So if you want, someone can take a video of you walking through one of the problems and showing all your steps. And you could also have someone take a picture of you doing the work, just as a still. All right, so you don't have to always do these at school or search the internet. You could do them right there at home as well. So that is how you upload a video and a picture. And then on this next slide, I'm just gonna click out of that so I don't accidentally forget to take that off. The next slide is your additional notes slide. You're gonna click on this. Okay, now you have the ability to change the fonts if you really want to. You can even change the colors. Please don't do yellow. It has to be readable. If you pick a fun color and I can't read it, it's gonna get marked wrong. I do wanna read what you wrote, okay? Bold, bright colors are the best. So let's say I just wanted to let's do purple, because we're Ramirez, we're purple. And I'm liking the lobster font. That looks fun. So you just come in, you're typing away, there you go. Now you click out, there you go. So this is gonna be used, it says additional notes, but it can also be your summary. It could be just anything you wanna put in that's extra, but what I'm looking for here is, can you describe what you learned in your own words for that lesson? All right, now that's just the first lesson. So recap, you need to do the video notes on the sides here. Okay, after watching this video, you need to upload your own picture and video. You need to do your additional notes slide as well. And then you go on to the next lesson. If you look here, now I'm on lesson 2. Well, guess what? Lesson 2 has the same thing. You'll have Miss Geiferd's notes here. These are the notes I'm giving you of my work and some extra steps. There's that page for you again, and that page for you again. All right, I hope this video tutorial helps.